Here are the solutions to your last minute percentage review before your percentage test. So the first question we're doing here is the one about the $5,000 TV. So I've set some of the things up ahead of time, and as you can see right over here, there's the first proportion we could use because we need to find 35% of 5,000. You could also accomplish this by doing the 35 hundredths, which is the percent times 5,000. So now you've seen both ways, whether you want to use the multiplication or you want to use a proportion. And once you do finish doing all your cross multiplication, you are going to find that that value of x is going to be $1,750. Now that is not the sale price, that's the discount, which is how much money we're going to save. So to find the sale price, we're going to subtract that discount from the original price of $5,000. If you subtract that correctly, you're going to be left with $3,250, which is the sale price of the TV. Now we're going to use that value to calculate the tax. So you'll notice down below in the proportion, I had left the whole price blank. There is where we're going to use the $3,250. Again, we're going to cross multiply this to calculate the tax, or if you do prefer to use the decimal multiplication, this is a situation where you can actually use the 3,250 times 875 10,000ths, or 0.0875. Either way, you're going to get a value for the tax of $284.37.5. Of course, with money, we're only going to go to the nearest penny, so that'll round to $284.38. Now that was tax we just calculated, which of course gets added on to the final price. So we're going to take that $3,250, which is the sale price. We're going to add that $284.38, and this will give us a final answer of $3,534.38. Now we'll move on to the next question in the review. The next question gave us a double sale. It started with a pair of jeans at $60. So as you can see, I've already set up the proportion that would allow you to find the first discount. You also could do $60 times that 15 hundredths, which represents 15%. Either way, when you solve this proportion or do the multiplication, you're going to get a first discount of $9. So to do the sale price, we'll do the original price minus that $9, which gives us $51. And in the question, it did say the already reduced price was reduced by an additional 25%. So now for the second proportion, we're going to use the 25%, but this time we're going to use the $51. Or again, with decimal multiplication, you could use the $51 times 25 hundredths, which represents 25%. And by solving the proportion correctly or doing the multiplication, $12.75. And again, that's the second discount. So we're going to take that already reduced price of $51. We're going to subtract that $12.75. And at long last, we have a final answer of $38.25. Hope this has been useful, going through both the proportions and the decimal multiplication. And good luck doing these two-step percentage questions on tomorrow's test.